Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Good to see you guys again. So in today's video I'm going to be doing something very different. I'm going to be doing a lace wig tutorial. I'm going to be teaching you guys how I installed this beautiful hair. And if it's your first time coming to my channel, thank you so much. You are very welcome. Please grab a chair and relax. If you are a returning subscriber or viewer, thank you so much for coming back to me and your loyalty and all your love. So I am not even going to waste time with this video, so let me just stop talking and get right into it. From premiumlacewigs.com, and it came in this box right here. This is their deep wave, right? I cannot even remember. I think this is their deep wave 360 lace wig, and this hair is 14 inches. This is not a first impression video. I have had this hair for about a month plus now, and yeah, my thoughts so far within 1 month, I love this hair. It is amazing, it is affordable, and the quality is so good. I was really happy. The only thing I'll say I don't like is it kind of like sheds like more than normal. Every hair must shed. You must know that once in a while 1 or 2 strands must come out, but this hair actually shed sometimes, and it kind of pisses me off. But then still, it was affordable, so you cannot like get like 100%. So that was just what I kept in mind, and yeah, it's really something you can overlook. Like, it's not that serious or anything. So far that's like my only problem. I will leave the link to their website in the description box below, so you guys can check it out, and I'll leave the direct link to this hair also. And it came in, yeah, there it is. The hair came in this cute little carry-on bag, and besides that, it came with a lot of goodies. You guys, like, who does not like goodies? Okay, the hair came with instructions on how to take care of the hair, and also like showed us some options on the other kind of hair that is sold on their website. Besides that, I got not 1 but 2 wig caps. Although I was kind of sad because they're like, the brown is kind of too light for me. That's why I used a black wig cap for installing this hair, because I actually do prefer black. So, but like, there was a time I washed the black wig cap, and then I had to use this. So what I did was, after like putting this on my head, I went in with my bronzer. People use foundation, but I cannot waste my foundation like that. Like, I can't. So because I have this huge bronzer, which I don't think I'm going to finish anytime soon, I use this instead, and I just rub that all over the lace area. I hope you guys get what I'm saying. So besides the wig cap, it also came with an elastic band, which I did not actually need for this wig, but I have another wig that really needs this, and it's really going to come in handy. It also came with this tooth comb also, and basically things you need for installing and customizing this hair. It came with 2 hair clips, which were actually very important to me, and I used it a lot in this video. And besides that, it came with a set of bobby pins. I was like so happy when I saw all these goodies, and it made me feel like the hair was so worth it. But the hair is actually affordable, actually affordable. This is the finished look of the hair. I hope you guys like it, and we're just going to go straight into how I installed this hair. So if you want to know how, please do keep on watching, and I'll see you in my next video. So guys, this wig is a 360 lace wig. So I'll just be turning it inside out for you guys. So in a 360 lace wig, the lace surrounds the perimeter of the head, and in the middle you have the normal wig cap design. So as you can see, this hair comes with 2 hooks at the front, oh sorry, 3 hooks at the front and 1 at the back. It also comes with adjustable hooks to secure the wig. So I've already cut off the excess lace, and I've plucked the wig, I've plucked the edges of the wig, and basically customized it in the best way that fits my head. So I'm just going to be putting it on now. So when I'm done, the wig should kind of look like this, a little bit something like this. And I do prefer a side part, so I'm going to drag this pattern here to the side, and the wig should look something like this. But if you want to see it in the middle, this is how it's going to look if the part is in the middle. So there we go. So I'm just going to be turning it to the side again, and I'll be dragging it back just a bit, and I'll be using the 2 hair clips that came with the wig, and I'll just be securing the hair backwards like so. I'll drag it from just a bit so I can get the exact position that I want, and I'll just hold it down just to see if everything looks good. And I'm liking how it looks this way, so I'm going to drag it back again. Next, I'm going to be taking my got2b hair glue, and I'll just be applying this around the perimeter of my forehead. Taking my hair dryer, and I'm putting like the normal air. Do not take it to the hot air, like the heat. Just use it to dry out the glue just until it begins to get a little bit tacky. So now that the glue is tacky, I'm just going to gently drag the hair to the front and place the lace directly on the area where I have the glue. I'm just going to drag the sides down a bit, and I'm leaving my thumbs here like this, and I'm just going to use the rest of my fingers to pat the lace to the glue. Next, I'm just going to take a handkerchief, and I'm going to wipe off the excess glue on my forehead. So next, I'm going to take a sock, and yes, a sock, because this has that stretch that I need, so it's going to secure my head properly. I don't think a normal scarf can do that. So you can take any old pair of socks you have lying around the house, and you just want to take that and wrap it around your head to just secure the glue even more, and tie it to the back as tight as you can. Usually do this until the blood stops circulating to my brain. That's how tight I make mine. Like literally I get a headache, guys, like I'm not even kidding. But if you have like a scarf that can do this, then by all means, but I just rather use a sock or a hose. And I'm going to take my comb, and I'm just going to press it down. You have to do this like you're fighting, literally, because you don't want your hair going anywhere. So we're just going to leave that for about 5 to 7 minutes. You can leave it for 10 if you like, and I'm going to come back and then take it off. Okay guys, so I think that has stayed on my head long enough. Like I'm literally starting to get a headache. So I'm going to be taking the sock off, and by the time it comes out, it's good. This happens every single time. So by the time you take the sock off, like this is literally like I am pulling, I'm actually tugging this hair, and it is not going anywhere. And so I'm going to be removing the clips from the back, and once again I'll be going in with my hair dryer just to make sure that it's really secure. Okay, so next I'm just going to be cleaning up that part with the tail of my comb. And I'll just be combing through the hair. so far so good. This is what it looks like. Now we are going to be customizing it, and that means I'm just going to be cleaning the lace out with concealer and then doing my edges and all that. So I'm going back with my clips, and once again I'm going to take the hair back and just clip and clip. So I'm going to be cleaning out this part here with some concealer, MAC Studio Finish concealer. But you can use anything. Like, I don't even know why I'm using this concealer because it is not cheap. But literally you can use anything. That's your skin. It has to be your skin tone, guys. So I'm just going to take this brush and I'm just going to clean out the part. We are going to be fixing up these areas. As you can see, I don't know if you can see, but then the lace doesn't really match my skin, so we are going to be fixing that up with some powder, and I'm using my classic compact powder, and this is the shade medium light. Or you can bleach the lace. Like, some people bleach their lace and it works for them, but I don't know a thing about bleaching. I cannot risk my hair, so I rather do this and wash it off when I'm washing my wig. I do not go near bleach at all. So this works for me and it's easier for me. So you can try that, or you can bleach your hair. Whatever you want to do, just do what makes you happy. So I don't know if you guys can see, the lace is starting to look a little bit more natural, and it's looking like the hair is actually coming out from my scalp. Okay, so next I'm going to be going into my edges. Now, I don't always do my edges. I only do it when I'm actually going out. When, like, on a normal day, I just leave my hair like this and I'm done. But for the sake of this video, I am going to be teaching you guys. And when I got the hair, I sectioned tiny hairs. Yeah, they're there. And then I cut it with a pair of scissors. So this is what I do. Just bring out the tiny hairs to the front. So now we have some loose hairs at the front. Going back in with my got-to-be glue, I'll just be putting that on my finger and rubbing it down at the front. Note, guys, that I am not dragging it down just yet. I am just putting it at the roots of the hair. So I'll be going in with this toothbrush that is obviously very well used, and from the roots down I'll just start brushing the hair and giving it like a nice curve. Also going in with my tooth comb, I'll just be giving it a nice curve to the side. I don't know if you guys can see. I think I just ruined it. Okay, so this side, I think this should be enough for me because my hair is going to cover up the rest. Now I'm going in with the other side, so I'm taking the brush and I'm just brushing it down and forming a curve as I go. Oh, this looks so cute. So I'm going to release the hair again and comb it for what seems like the 100th time. So this is how the hair looks finally. the part, everything looks so good and makes the hair look so natural. Well, I wish this was my hair, but it's not. This is a very natural looking hair, and yeah, this is the finished look. The front looks amazing. I love how versatile this hair is. Like, I've straightened this hair, I've curled this hair, straightened it again, curled it again, washed it like how many times, and it's still like intact. Let's assume it's straight, and the moment I wash it, like the curls return, like, because I washed it so it can be clean and fresh for like this tutorial. So it was straight initially. After washing it, the curls came back and it became so voluminous, and then I just love how it looks. You guys liked this video. It was so fun to make. Oh my god, me and my goofy self. Do give it a thumbs up, and please share this video as much as you can. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Check out my other videos, and if you have any questions whatsoever about this hair, or I don't know, any installation questions, or anything else you want to see on my channel, please do leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.